How to set calendar alert to silent on Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And from the home screen or in the apps screen, open up the calendar app. Now from here, make sure you go back to the main calendar screen. From this calendar month, we tap on the menu button at the top, then tap on the settings icon. Next, we scroll down and tap on alert type. Then from here, select the alert type that you want to use, either light, medium or strong. Then we go down and tap on the sound right here. Next in here, select silent or alert. Okay, so that's how you can do it. Another way to do it is from the apps settings. So if we go back into settings here, in settings you can scroll down and then tap on notifications, then tap on app notifications, and in here scroll down and tap on calendar, and then from here you can set notification categories, then select general notifications, and then select alert or silent. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.